Hi, Josh Layton here with Scout Boats. Welcome to our brand new 220 Dorado. For family coastal cruising, this is the boat you've got to see. Come take a look at it with me. Look at up here in the bow, this wraparound seating for maybe 5 people with your kids. You got a really nice opportunity to put an optional table in here for a great place to stop for lunch. This forward seating is really deep, gives you a nice comfortable place to be while you're cruising or while you're lounging anchored on the sandbar. I love this integrated anchor box as well. It keeps everything out of the way, but still accessible when you're ready to use it. Nice complements with the cup holder rod holders and cleats in the bow, midship, and stern for easy docking under a lot of different situations. The walk-through to the helm is very clean, very easy to execute. If you want to close it off, you can close it off with the full windshield wraparound and the gate to the bow. As we move back here to the helm, you have some full back captain's chairs. These are really comfortable places to cruise with. The helm itself has really nice complements with caddies for your cell phones, glove boxes over here, nice glove box down low here as well. Comfortable place to sit and cruise the boat, or convert these full back captain's chairs to a bolster leaning position to run this boat. Really love that dual purpose capability. In the center of the helm area here, I've got my ski locker. I've got a nice cabin with toilet in here. Nice access to all my electronics underneath this side of the Dorado. Some really nice features in this cockpit of the 220 Dorado are these 360 full back captain's chairs. With the removable backrest, you can change this area into one entertainment platform. Got a full lounger with an aft backrest, half lounger with an aft backrest, so if you're doing your towing and water sports, you have 2 nice places for people to spot from. And then in the transom itself, the fold down bench facing forward. Big open area back here for coming on and off the boat while you're swimming in the water. Also in the transom here is our live well with a clear lid. We've got our easy access to the swim platforms through this gate. These swim platforms have the integrated boarding ladder, and this boat has a 200 horsepower engine, but we also offer it with a 150. For a full day of boating, the options for the top on here with the Bimini is a great choice to give you some protection to allow a little bit of protection from that sun. For more information on this brand new 220 Dorado, to see all the standard features and options available, check out our website at scoutboats.com.